Alright guys, everybody's favorite segment, Brandon's Chicken Wing Reviews, here at Clark and Bourbon in St. Louis, Missouri. So we got the buffalo smoked wings. My wife's already tried them. She gave her opinion about them, so I'm gonna give you the real opinion, the only one that matters when it comes to chicken wing reviews. So here we go.
Oh yeah.
So rich smoky flavor.
It is smoky, yes.
It's a tad dry.
They kind of look it. I'm gonna be real with you.
One second.
Never have he gone in for another taste before he made a decision. This is the first.
Okay. I will give it
This is the longest deliberation I think I've seen yet.
because this is tough. I'm only deliberating between. I'm gonna give it a 6.
Out of 10?
Yes.
Wow, okay.
It's just good enough. They're not bad.
Okay.
I like the smoky flavor.
Okay.
I like the buffalo flavor. The dryness kind of takes it down. So
Okay.
yeah, I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
Okay. All right, awesome. 6 out of 10. I can't deal with you. Okay, 6 out of 10. You guys heard it here first. Clark and Bourbon.